mom.
What are you thankful for, James?
I said my mom.
What else? Tell me everything you're thankful for.
School, Daddy, toys, friends, more toys, my sister, your brother, family, and that's what I'm going to say. Family. And that's it.
Okay. Julina, what are you thankful for?
Oh, one more thing. Food.
Okay, what? Food?
Food.
Okay. Julina, what are you thankful for?
I am thankful for my family and friends, my brother, my daddy, you, Cameron Braxton, food, the playground, and school, and all the other stuff that I probably love to death.
Oh, okay. And Camden, what are you thankful for?
Toys, clothes, and
Bob.
Mom, and Joe,
Stop, guys.
and Joe, and tackling,
Stop.
and Joe, and coloring and playing on my Kindle, and that's it.
Okay. Braxton, are you thankful for food? Do you like food? Do you like your clothes? You like your toys? You like your family? Okay. Say Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!